Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about good manufacturing practices, factory assessment in apparel industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Good manufacturing practices, factory assessment. People and training, process and documents, planning, equipment and maintenance, product control, product safety, testing, inspection, warehouse condition, housekeeping, SOP and KPIs. Quality Compliance Dashboard. Good manufacturing practices, factory assessment. GMP assessment, factory name, address, city, country, brands, number of clauses applicable, number of clauses passed, number of conformists found, assessment KPI percentage, members attended, GM, FM, QA, audit date, auditor name, KPI percentage zone, red if KPI less than 60%, orange if KPI more than 60% but less than 70%, yellow if KPI more than 70% but less than 80%, green if KPI more than 80% but less than 90%, dark green if KPI more than 90%. Bar chart showing KPIs of all department: merchandising, PPC, sample room, CAD room, IE, laboratory, fabric warehouse, accessories, cutting room, embroidery, printing, fusing, sewing, end-line inspection, washing, pressing finishing, scan pack, warehouse, final AQL, QMS and product safety. Bar chart showing quality assessment of all department, clauses passed and conformists. What is a GMP assessment? A GMP assessment is a third-party audit conducted to assess if an organization is compliant with regulations and industrial standards on acceptable good manufacturing practices. It helps identify areas for improvement on GMP compliance and also provides guidance on how to become compliant. The ones primarily responsible for GMP compliance are those in the quality team. This includes executives such as Chief of Quality Control, Directors of Quality and Managers, or those directly involved in quality specific jobs such as Quality Control Inspectors and Quality Assurance Managers. They are in charge of ensuring that standards, requirements and protocols are followed. GMP audits are accomplished by certified auditors and regulated by agencies such as Food and Drug Administration, FDA. However, apparel industry are encouraged to do their own quality technical compliance audits in a similar method, which gives an overview of the factory KPI and means for improvement. 10 principles of GMP. The basic principles of good manufacturing practices help ensure product quality. Incorporating this will determine the scope and standards needed to pass GMP auditing. The 10 principles of GMP are the following: create standard operating procedures SOP for processes and design specifications for facilities and equipment. Follow the SOP and specifications. Validate the SOP and specifications. Document everything. Monitor the facilities and equipment. Employ competent and qualified personnel. Protect products against contamination. Control components and processes that are related to the product. Ensure quality in operations, manufacturing, logistics and distribution. Perform periodic audits with certified auditors. Objectives of apparel quality technical audit. Ensure the QMS is effectively. Audit quality control system. Ensure compliance with customer quality standard, ensure customer manufacturing and process control requirement, apply best practices in garment manufacturing, ensuring effectiveness, efficiency, improvement and customer satisfaction to get excellence and sustainable results in the long run of customer product quality and as a supplier. Quality technical audit sections for apparel industry, merchandising, PPC, sample room, CAD room, industrial engineering, laboratory, fabric warehouse, accessories, cutting room, embroidery, printing, fusing, sewing, inline inspection, washing, pressing finishing, scan pack, warehouse, final AQL, QMS and product safety. Merchandising department. Example of quality compliance assessment audit in merchandising department. Category point, item, people and training, points to be checked. Each factory having a merchandising department on site with trained merchandisers for production follow-up. Assessment result, compliance. Total points 1. Communication. Communicate with buyers to clarify all queries related to product development, production, quality requirements, etc. Compliance. Costing. Product costing sheets are prepared for all styles with cost breakup. Compliance. SAM. SAM is calculated for all styles for costing from IE department. Deviation. Consumption. Take approval on fabric consumption and trims consumption from concerned person. Compliance. BOM. BOM to be prepared for all orders within 2 working days after receiving PO from buyer. Deviation. Merchandising department. BOM. Fabric and trim store to be provided with final bill of material. Compliance. TNA. First TNA calendar to be submitted after 1 day of order receiving. Deviation. TNA. Mail TNA calendar to management, PPC department, store and QA. Compliance. TNA. Update TNA calendar daily basis and enter actual date of completion of a particular task. Compliance. Process and document control. Quality approval of bulk fabric and trims. 1 trim card to be given to store, 1 for production file and 1 for merchandiser. Compliance. Process and document control. Merchandiser review the samples and hand tags before sending to the buyer and reports are documented. Compliance. Process and document control. Shipment sample after shipment 2 to 3 packed pieces with packing details are kept for future reference. Compliance. Merchandising department. KPI. Monthly report of on-time sample submission rate is measured. Percentage of samples submitted to buyer on time or before time against the target sample submission date out of total samples submitted in a specific duration. Compliance. KPI. On-time sample delivery rate style-wise is measured, used for measuring the factory performance as well as for measuring performance of the merchandising department. Compliance. KPI. Sample hit rate measured season-wise. This measure represents the conversion rate of sampling to actual buyer orders. KPI. Sample rejection rate is measured the ratio of number of samples rejected and total samples submitted to buyer. Compliance. KPI. On-time inquiry response rate is measured. This performance measure is calculated as what percentage of mails is replied within specific time frame. Consider that specific time frame to reply to buyer is 24 hours. Compliance. KPI. On-time production handover rate is measured. How much actual production time needed can be analyzed by having style-wise file handover time. Final inspection AQL. Example of quality compliance assessment of AQL. Category point, item, equipment and maintenance, points to be checked. Is there a separate dedicated QC room, area including well lit minimum 1000 lux and readily available for inspection audit. Compliance. Inspection. An auditor audit full PO lot as per buyer final audit. Sampling policy when that PO is already 80% packed to check packed garments quality before a final audit. If the pre-final audit fails, then the full PO will be rechecked. Compliance. Inspection. 100% of all shipments equal 2.5 level 2 equal inspection audits is conducted to customers required equal standard or better deviation. Process and document control. Are inspection reports readily available from any time frame and legible? Deviation. Process and document control. Complete guidelines, standards, specifications including packaging and assortment instructions are available to each inspector and placed in readable location on the QC table. Compliance. Risk management and action. Is there a documented root cause and corrective action procedure escalation for non-compliant issues from rejection on equal inspection? Compliance. Quality assessment of all department. Bar chart showing quality assessment of all departments. Clauses passed and conformists. Blue bars indicating points for clauses passed across all department and red bar indicating points for conformists across all department. KPIs of all department. Example of KPIs of all department after quality compliance assessment. Merchandising 82%, PPC 85%, sample room 80%, CAD room 87%, IE 73%, laboratory 77%, fabric warehouse 73%, accessories 82%, cutting room 73%, embroidery 75%, printing 77%, fusing 73%, sewing 71%, inline inspection 73%, washing 73%, pressing finishing 82%, scan pack 82%, warehouse 85%, final equal 83%, QMS 82%, product safety 90%. Average factory KPI 78%. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.